All right. This is math, and this is 929. Uh, Number 9-20 129. On a coordinate grid, draw a triangle with the vertices at 2, 6, 2, 2, and 5, 6. I'm not gonna share the triangle because I feel it would be a little bit. Yeah, just do it by yourself. You can put the coordinates as 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever, and then it'll form like a right triangle, forming like sort of sideways like that. You see where my mouse is pointing? It's like that. But for the answers, it's A is gosh, A is 12. B is a right triangle. Make sure you justify your answer and just justify your answer. Um, okay, now 130 is Anne lives in the shoreline of a large lake. The market is located 24 kilometers south and 32 kilometers west of her home on other side of the lake. If she takes a boat across the lake directly toward the market, how far is her home from the market? Here's the answer. Her house is 40 kilometers from the market. There you go. All right, 131 is change each number to an equivalent fraction. For help with repeating decimals, review the math notes of lesson 9.2 by 4. For this, it's really easy actually. 0 0.7 is equal to 7 over 10. 0 0.7 continuing, like repeating decimal, is 7 over 9. Remember, every time there's a repeating decimal, it always the denominator is always 9 or 99 or 999. Whatever number it ends with. Here's a 7 over 9, 15 over 100, 15 over 99, and yeah, you guys can put this in different ways. Like I put here 0 0.7 equals to 7.10, or you can just put it simply like that. Just change it up, whatever you guys want. All right, 132 here was long questions, like really big questions. They're fairly easy, to be honest. You can, if you want to, you can go ahead and open up a fraction calculator or something like that. A Desmos calculator or calculator soup, and just use that. Or here, look, fractions and exponents, exponents calculator. And here, the symbol lab. It's really good because here you have all these things right here. So for example, you can put like, oh, 2 here, right here. You can go ahead and click the fraction one. It's like, oh, 2 over 3, and then put this over 8, and yeah, etc. plus, I don't know, 3, and then it'll calculate it for you. And yeah, there, it'll show you the steps so that way you can do it by yourself. But these might be a little bit too confusing. Just simplify it, simplify it. So yeah, you can do that, but I wrote down all the answers. Um, but I'd suggest doing the symbol lab thing because I feel like the teacher wouldn't give you full credit if you didn't do all the answers, all the work. But here's A is equal to 3, with 7 over 20, and these are all my personal answers. I didn't use a calculator, so I might get a few wrong. That's 100 over 1, 10, which is also 10 over 1, which is what I put. Negative 4 over 2, 0 0.1 repeating, 0 0.5476, 0 0.2401, and 88. You can go ahead and pause the video, copy that down. Okay, for this one, you have to simplify each expression to the point where, simplified. Um, and it has a lot of exponents in it. I mean, well, variables. But for me, this is what I got: 16,384. And like I said, I'd suggest like if you want to calculate it well, you can use that calculator if you want. All right, so 16,384 x is what I got. 0 0.6 repeating. and 0.25, or also known as 1/4. Um, and then for the last one, it's the growth in each table. You can go in homework help. It'll show the answers for the first two, but for this one, you have to do it by yourself. I didn't. I don't know if I got it wrong or right. I guess because fuck school and stuff like that. so so yeah, you can choose if it's a linear graph or non-linear graph. So yeah, that's pretty much math. If you want to, just pause the video whenever you want and copy them down. Make sure to not be conspicuous, and if you don't know what conspicuous means, just not be too suspicious. So yep. All right. Bye.